Hi, I'm Patrick from Justponics, and today I want to talk to you about our version 2 of our educational kit. I'm going to unbox our educational kit. You'll see what you're going to get, and we'll talk about how you would assemble this kit into an aquaponics system. So when you unpack your educational aquaponics kit, version 2, get a bag of hydrotone, get this bucket, which within inside of it, get one media guard, one tube, one piece of rock wool for the seeds, a pump, seeds, a net cup for the rock wool, 2 O-rings, and a bell siphon. And there's 2 buckets. This gray bucket is the grow kit, grow tray, right here. All right, has a hole right here. And this bottom bucket, the see-through bucket, is the fish tank. It comes with one lid. Step 1, first you want to take your lid and your grow bucket. Take the hole on the grow bucket and place it on top of the lid. There's a big hole. This. So it comes right through like that. Okay? Then you take your siphon, the 2 O-rings, and the media guard. You're gonna unscrew the siphon, place it into the media guard, and place an O-ring on the bottom. This will prevent water from leaking from the top of the grow bed. So stick it in, and it should look like this. Now take the other O-ring and place it on top. Take the bottom portion of the siphon and screw it in from the bottom. So now you've installed the first part of the aquaponics system, the siphon. Step 2, you want to take your pump out of the box. Make sure you have the right fitting. Then take the tube, stick it into the fitting, and this will be on the bottom of the fish tank. You'll take this part that you just installed. This hole at the end of the cap is for the wires. There's a hole at one end. Place that near the pump. And that should accommodate both electrical cord and this tubing. So now you take the tubing and you stick it in to the grow bed. There's a hole drilled for this tubing so that the water can go in. Like so. Now you've installed your kit. You can pour in your grow media, this hydrotone. Make sure you wash it. You have to wash this media before you start using it in the system. Rinse it off, make sure that there's no debris. And when you're ready, fill the system with water, add your fish, and turn on the pump. So I hope you liked this demonstration of our Edu Kit version 2. It's new and improved. It has a bigger fish tank, opaque grow bed, and you can get yours today on Amazon or Etsy. We hope you like this video, and please like it if you do.